Welcome to the extraordinary, a world where architecture becomes a legacy, and every home is a monument to imagination and wealth. These are the most beautiful and expensive houses on Earth, owned by billionaires who dream bigger than borders. Picture a $450 million palace floating above the Italian coastline, with endless ocean views, a private vineyard, and hand-painted ceilings inspired by Renaissance cathedrals. Each sunset here feels like a priceless painting. Travel to Aspen, where modern mountain mansions rise from the snow, blending wood, steel, and glass into warm sanctuaries of winter luxury. These $300 million homes feature floor-to-ceiling fireplaces, heated stone floors, and spas carved into the hillside. Now shift to Hong Kong, where vertical mansions stretch upward like towers of elegance, wrapped in mirrored glass, with private sky gardens and helipads above the clouds, each one worth upwards of $200 million. In the heart of Dubai, futuristic desert estates glow beneath the sun. Think gold facades, smart glass walls, and pools that light up like galaxies at night. These homes are built not just for comfort, but for spectacle, some with rotating living rooms, others with floating staircases sculpted like works of art. In Cape Town, cliffside residences overlook the ocean with dramatic views, surrounded by private beaches and African art collections worth millions. Meanwhile, in Miami's elite enclaves, sleek modern villas dazzle with panoramic bay views, custom Italian kitchens, and rooftop lounges with fire pits and hot tubs, where every night feels like a luxury vacation. And don't forget the timeless chateaus of France, where billionaires live in estates once built for royalty. Restored with modern elegance, these $350 million masterpieces are wrapped in vineyards, fountains, and centuries of history. Every detail in these homes, from custom chandeliers to imported stone, is carefully chosen to express status, vision, and personal identity. These are not just places to live, they are sanctuaries of taste, icons of design, and symbols of what's possible when beauty and wealth have no limits.